Hey Bill, in the previous episodes, you covered how credit notes are automatically created during cancel and rebill, and when we credit an invoice. But are there any other functionalities within Salesforce Billing when credit notes are systematically generated and applied to an invoice?
Absolutely, Ethan. Besides the cancel and rebill and credit functionalities, Salesforce Billing also offers a feature called Convert Negative Lines, which systematically converts negative invoice lines into credit note lines.
Convert negative lines? That sounds intriguing. Can you explain how this functionality works?
Certainly. When a CPQ contract is amended, and the quantity is reduced or cancelled, indicating a downgrade or a cancellation, it results in a negative order product. When this negative order product is invoiced in Salesforce Billing, it creates a negative invoice line.
Ah, I see. So, it's like when someone cancels their gym membership midway through the contract, and that results in a negative invoice line on their next bill.
Exactly, Ethan. You've got the idea. Let's take a specific example to illustrate this. Imagine a gym using Salesforce CPQ and billing to handle memberships. Dan and his wife, Alice, join the gym with an annual membership during a special offer. But midway through the contract period, Dan decides to cancel his membership.
Got it. So, when the gym processes the amendment for Dan's cancellation, it leads to a negative order product and a corresponding negative invoice line for Dan's cancelled membership.
Precisely. Now, here's where Convert Negative Lines comes into play. The gym can choose to use this feature on the invoice, and it systematically creates credit notes for the negative invoice line related to Dan's membership cancellation.
That's pretty cool. So, what can the gym do with these credit notes?
The options are quite flexible. The gym can apply the credit note towards Alice's active membership to reduce the balance, or they can issue a refund to Dan for the outstanding amount.
I can see how powerful this feature is in managing billing scenarios with amendments and cancellations. Salesforce Billing truly streamlines the process.
Absolutely, Ethan. It's all about providing a seamless experience for both businesses and their customers. Salesforce Billing offers a range of functionalities to make billing management a breeze.
Thanks for breaking it down, Bill. Learning about convert negative lines and credit notes has been eye-opening. I can't wait to explore more of what Salesforce Billing has to offer.
You're welcome, Ethan.